Are you looking to set up your own Forex trading platform, but not sure where to start? Well, we have got you covered. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up a Forex trading platform using ForexBox.com hosting service.
Hello, I'm Parker, and in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of setting up your own Forex trading platform using Forex-Box.com's hosting service. First, log in or create to your Forex-Box.com account or create and navigate to the hosting section. Here you can choose the hosting plan that best suits your needs. Your account is created. You can download the Forex trading platform of your choice and install it on your Forex-Box.com hosting account. Once the platform is installed, you can access it by logging into your Forex-Box.com account and selecting the platform from your hosting dashboard. And that's it. You are now ready to start trading Forex on your own custom platform, hosted by Forex-Box.com's fast and reliable servers. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, our dedicated customer support team is always here to help.